Hello again. I wanted to show an interesting bug that could affect other kinds of games. If you make a game with multiple levels, in this case, the bug happens. We have in a same level we have many states, and to allow for undo, we keep a list of game states, and each time we press undo, we return to the previous state. And this is done with a queue of states. And when we change from a level to the next, let me show you. We go to the next level, and when we enter the new level, we restore the last state that level was in. But as you see in this case, we get an error sometimes because we are trying to restore a state that belonged to the other level. That's because we have this state, for example, is saved when we go from that level to this one, and in this case there is no problem because we went through the map. But if we go through normal play, the last or the last state we are in is this one, will be inadvertently injected into the states of this one. I will show you. Yeah, this is the bug. This happens because let me show. In the try move function, we are compute the current state before attempting the move. We compute the move, and if the move has any effect, we append that state to the states. But the problem is that in this function we enter the new level when we go through a door, and this function changes the identity of the current level. So we must first of all we must remove this because this will be redundant. Then let me see, to solve this this we must check if the new level is not the current level, because sometimes we go through the door from the level to which the door belongs. that was another problem. And in the let me see, on one hand, this function must return the Boolean because it can succeed even if it doesn't have visual effects. In this case, for example, we enter a new level, so that is a successful move. And in all the, let me see, this is okay. We change that, and in try move we must check here, before we check for the visual effects, we check if the move was successful, and only in that case we append the current state to the states of the current level, but we have to be careful to make a backup of the current level, because the current level will be changed in the event of entering a new level. So we back up this variable here, we compute the current level, the current state, sorry, and we append that level to that state to the moving level, the level we are moving in. So on one hand, yeah, this should work. Let me see. If we this is a problem. Yeah, we should append the state also when we go to the map. Yeah, we restore this. Yeah, and we only append the state. This is easy. In move here, we return false because we are technically not moving in this level, but we are moving in the next. So let's test. Here, if we go to the map, we enter, okay. We return, nice. And this should work. Okay. And if we go to the next level, let's see. We move, and if we return here, yeah, we are okay, perfect. We are not contaminating the level state. Okay, that was a nice fix, and it has a nice side effect that it separates the logic of having a successful or unsuccessful move from the visual effects, because I want to add in the future some kind of bounce effect, for example, when we cannot move. For example, if we try to move here to the right, the player cannot move, but we are not showing any visual effect. But I will add visual effects for that kind of move. Or, for example, when we try to lift a heavy crate, or in many other unsuccessful moves, I want to add visual feedback. So this has the advantage of separating the level state queue logic from the visual effect logic. So perhaps next video I will show some of the effects I want to add. For now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and more importantly, to share the videos with people that could learn something from them. Thanks.